I've always preferred the shadier areas of my garden, and I love the shade plants, so I really concentrate on shade, but this year I've had to remove a tree and open up a sunny space, so that'll be kind of a new experience for me, is the sunny plants.
I just like it all. I mean, some days when it's raining, it's nice to sit in there, and sunny days, it's nice to sit under the trees, and it's just relaxing. And I don't know, what do you like?
I like the pond.
Yeah,
I kind of do the pond. She plants all the flowers around, but I take care of it mostly.
There's a frog or a toad.
We have a resident frog that stays here all the time.